Right away, this looks routine. But in a courtroom, routine can turn life-changing in seconds. Bond hearings aren't casual check-ins. They're strict compliance reviews. And if the court finds out you didn't follow the rules, your freedom can disappear just as quickly as it was given. So pay close attention, because moments like this can shift everything.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you Brittany Davis?
Good morning, yes.
And Ms. Davis, did you get someone hired?
No, it's kind of expensive, but really expensive. I'm not even working right now. But I went through
Who'd you talk to?
the legal aid. I put in an application for legal aid.
Okay.
It's a place that help you get a lawyer, but they say it could take 6 months to a year. So
Okay, so did you talk to any other lawyers like I told you?
Here's the real problem. Courts move fast, but legal aid and paperwork could take months. And the system doesn't pause your bond conditions while you're waiting. When a judge gives you instructions tied to staying out of jail, I'm still working on it, usually isn't going to cut it. The court expects action, not delays.
the first 3 that I talked to, wow, I talked to like probably 8 of them. But the lowest there goes like 2,000 to start off.
Do you have the names of the lawyers that I asked you that you talked to?
You asked me that last time. I was on.
Right, and then I reset you to talk to them more or get someone hired. So
I
did you
talked to
talk to
Renshaw. I talked to
This is where things often start falling apart in court. Details matter. Names matter. Documentation matters. Every step matters. When a judge believes you ignored or failed to follow direct instructions, it's not treated as a simple mistake. In the eyes of the court, that's noncompliance. And noncompliance can quickly turn to jail time.
I can't remember their name. Renshaw. There's one that's brothers.
Why wouldn't you write that down and bring it?
I wasn't expecting that I had to.
So it looks like you weren't what?
I wasn't expecting that I had to.
So if you're okay. If I tell you to go talk to some lawyers and bring me the names of the lawyers you've talked to, and you don't think you can remember them, then I would think just common sense would tell you to write them down so that you could tell me that you did what I ordered you to do.
Let me ask you something. If a judge tells you to complete something to avoid going to jail, are you trusting your memory? Or are you writing it down in bold, underlined, highlighted ink? Because in a courtroom like this, saying, "I thought I didn't have to," is not the kind of explanation that ends well.
So that you wouldn't go back to jail, right?
I did do what you ordered me to do.
Okay, so I ordered you to bring back the names as well, not just talk to them, but bring back who you talked to so that I know who you talked to and that you're doing what I asked you to do, right? Right.
The cheapest ones that I've given you the last time I was here is the main ones that I was looking into.
Okay. But when you left last time, I gave you specific instructions.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
Okay. So are you wearing your drug patch?
Yes, ma'am.
So it looks like back on second.
Rewritten. And this is the moment where everything changes. Drug patches aren't random tests. They continuously monitor the body through sweat, detecting drug metabolites over time. If the patch flags something, it's not considered a minor mistake. In court, that's viewed as a direct violation of bond conditions, and violations like that can have immediate consequences.
So you tested positive since you've had that drug patch on for methamphetamine.
What is that? Yep.
What does that mean?
I don't. But with the patch?
Mm-hmm. Looks like you tested positive for methamphetamine, cocaine. Hold on. Let me print it out so I can read it better. So last time you were in here, you had an issue because you had showed up with your drug patch in your hand, so they couldn't test it. So I tested you in court, and then I made you get the drug patch put on again and told you to keep it on. And then the drug patch that was put on January 25th. which was the day before that court date. So you had one on, you had taken it in, you put it on, tested positive for methamphetamine and cocaine. Have a seat in the jury box. I'm going to have you tested this morning, and then I'll decide what to do. Thanks. Actually, come on, ma'am. Come on back up here. I know what I'm going to do. So, Ms. Davis, obviously it is a violation of your bond conditions to use any illegal substances, right? And so you tested positive for cocaine and methamphetamine on that drug patch, in addition to, in the past, not having it on correctly, and you didn't do what I asked you to do or ordered you to do also here. So I'm going to raise your bond at this time for those violations to $100,000. You will keep your court-appointed attorney while you're in custody. They'll be out to see you, and we'll just see what we do with your case at that point. You can go back with the bailiff.
Wow.
Ma'am, come on back in.
Oh, you want an example out of it? I see.
I'll make an example out of anybody. Hang on. You want to stand here?
You don't want.
You want to stand here and be disrespectful?
No,
I will make an example.
Understand my situation. Like,
I don't care what your
I'm not
situation.
making no excuses.
Okay.
I take accountability.
Right. So you tested positive for methamphetamine and cocaine.
I don't know how the patch work, ma'am. I haven't been doing any drugs.
Well, you did something.
I don't know if that's like the patch pick up sweat. I don't know if that's like after the process or what, but I haven't been doing anything.
All right. Go back with the bailiff. John Richard.